Hey, thanks for representing Lamplighter Ministries at our conference. This video is going to show you how to properly fold a tablecloth. Now first, you want to pick up the cloth from the table and make sure that none of it touches the ground. Fold it right in the middle, have one person on one side, someone else on the other, and make sure that the tablecloth folds exactly in half. Now we're going to fold it long ways. The easiest way to do this is to keep one person still and the other person is going to walk to the other end of the tablecloth. When you give them the corner to fold it in half, make sure that the logo sticks out on the front. And we're going to fold the tablecloth long ways again, and making sure that the logo sticks out on the front, and also ensuring that the tablecloth does not touch the floor. Fold it in half one more time. This is the width that we want. Quick side note, do not ever lay boxes on top of the tablecloths. They get really dirty really fast. Now lay the tablecloth on a clean surface, fold it in half, once and twice. At the very end, part of the logo should be sticking out on the front. Thank you for helping us keep the tablecloths clean.